Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in Blox Fruits fast. To quickly reach the highest level, focus on efficient strategies from the start. Always accept quests from non-player characters, as they provide substantial experience points. Remember to activate any available experience boosts, which can double your gains for 20 to 90 minutes. Choosing the right devil fruit and combat style, along with smart stat allocation, will significantly accelerate your progress. For efficient leveling, consistently complete quests in areas suited to your current power. Bosses offer a substantial amount of experience and often drop useful items, so farming them is highly recommended. When grinding regular enemies, gather them into groups and use area of effect abilities to defeat many at once. Playing on a private server can also prevent other players from interfering with your progress, ensuring uninterrupted grinding sessions. Choosing the right fruit is crucial. The Buddha fruit is highly effective for grinding, offering increased defense and extended attack range. Elemental fruits like magma are also great for clearing enemies quickly in the early stages. Don't forget to equip accessories such as the black cape, which can provide a 10% boost to melee and sword damage. Allocate your stat points primarily into melee and defense to maximize your damage output and endurance. To truly maximize your experience, always redeem active codes for double experience boosts, often lasting 20 to 90 minutes. Engage in sea events, like defeating sea beasts, for significant experience and valuable drops. Server hopping allows you to repeatedly challenge bosses with short respawn times, earning quick levels. Finally, collaborating with friends can make clearing difficult enemies and bosses much faster, boosting everyone's progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.